Today, we're in Yuma, Arizona, visiting Cool Fresh and getting a tour from operations supervisor Mario Quezada. Yuma's harvests are delivered to this facility to be processed for shipping across the country and account for 90% of the nation's leafy greens during winter months. After each lot is tagged, they'll be weighed twice before vacuum packing and preparing for the cold blasting, affectionately named by Mario as the tube, for what we like to call MAP, or the really cold part. Essentially, nitrogen is used to displace oxygen, which prevents spoilage and helps maintain the texture and flavor of the food. Cool Fresh's tubes work 24 hours, processing 1,000 lots of produce daily during harvest season.
That's the beauty of it. So the nitrogen is what gives the product the shelf life that it needs in order to get processed and to make it to the store. It gives it life.
According to the Arizona Farms Bureau, Yuma is number 1 in the state and number 3 in our nation for production. Much of these harvests rely upon and are processed at a facility like Cool Fresh.